luck of the draw. We are out here playing 18 holes on each tee pad. We draw a raffle ticket that you guys can purchase before or during even. And on each of the holes, we both draw a raffle ticket, and whatever name is on that raffle ticket is our partner for that hole. And if you win the hole, then you get some goodies.
Heckling and trash talking are encouraged, and we'll even let you throw out of our bags.
I had a great time at the luck of the draw. My favorite part was when I threw it in the water, and then Eric threw it in the water right after me and made me feel better about myself.
I had a great time at the luck of the draw. Thought my shot was good, but Paige outdrove me by another 10 feet, and we used hers instead. Pushed the hole, still a great time.